Head.
Yeah, nah, you gotta put you to work.
Come on, my shit dirty, nigga. Hey, nigga, you broke Marcus.
I didn't break it.
Oh, this nigga breaking shit.
I'm fucking dead. I'm crying. Oh, I should have put my two songs ready. Nigga thought I broke his
This nigga just broke my shit. Where the liquor? Hey, be his cameraman real quick.
No, hell no.
Come on, nigga, I gotta get the bottle.
Why I gotta be the cameraman?
This nigga right. Huh?
What happened to the car?
I don't know. This nigga talk about Rika.
Not recording shit.
Bro, I'm not the cameraman. No, the fuck I'm not.
Bro, y'all got me out here working.
Nigga, I'm not no cameraman.
What's wrong with the whip? Let me see. We don't need you no more, bro. It's up in here. Alright. As you can see. Bro, I literally see it right here. I'll show you on the camera. Right there, where my light is flashing. Oh, I got it. Fuck y'all. Just like that, we got it out, chat. His dumb ass left the part of his house, so we're waiting here for him to go get it. Watch it. Yo, is oil supposed to be coming out the dashboard? No, I'm kidding. I got it. Come on, look how easy that is, bro. I'll do this 1, 2, 3. I'll do that 1, 2.
No, Marty.
That's the conveyor. That's the nitrous turbo right there.
That's
That's the nitrous turbo right there.
Check his car.
It's oil leaking out the dashboard, but I don't know why. No, I'm kidding. I'm about to say, Jay. Yeah, they slow. Oh, this was 2 boats. They called me all the way from Albany for this.
Oh, he know about it.
He got that bottle right. He got the bottle like a baby. Let me get a shot. Chat, he finally got back with the new blower motor. Yeah, that's right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, this is it.
Yeah, that's the only thing that was holding it in there.
So how this shit don't look worn out? What's the new one look
And it
like?
was a regular screwdriver, nigga.
Right. Oh, I could have used normal fucking tools. Nigga. Nah, maybe he's gonna know what he's talking about.
I'm fucking crying.
Where we going?
Oh, that shit brand. Oh, okay, yeah. That is dull as fuck. Yeah.
That's fucking crazy.
You ain't lying.
You see? So, it's the new one. Roll one. I'm fucking crying.
Yo, get out! Get the fuck out! What the fuck is that nigga doing?
They was trying to learn. What's wrong with them?
Yo, mana telephone
Where's
ko?
all? Huh?
Mana telephone ko?
Do what up? No, yeah, did it, nigga. Nigga, give me it. Like, it wasn't even no crazy shit holding it in. That's crazy. Like, that's probably weird to get back in there, though, right?
It is already connected to it.
That's what I was thinking. I'm like, damn, it's probably gonna be weird to reconnect this shit, though.
There you go.
Oh, it's in?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, this work? Nigga, you did not do that. It was up here.
It was me, Lana, and him.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't take that much.
Oh, you and him.
He worked on your car. Lana too?
Nah, Lana did not.
We
Oh,
go to
he's gonna die.
liquor. We go to liquor store.
He's gonna die, bro.
On your car.
Ain't nobody working on the car job. I took one shot,
That's the.
and I took the shit out before.
Yeah, I'm skipping over that
I
part.
took the shit out before I took the shot.
Nigga, wow.
I already got one bolt in.
This nigga said, what you think about this one?
It's fucking cramped down here.
No, it's cramped as fuck.
Nigga, start the car, nigga. started. I just got screwed in. Yeah. Shit, I need some goddamn AC.
Huh?
That shit cold. That shit cold. It was hot before? Oh, this shit blowing cold as fuck down here.
It's blowing on the floor?
Yeah. On my arm.
Oh, it is blowing down there. It's not blowing up here.
Blowing right here.
It is?
It's not blowing from here.
Yeah.
It's blowing right here.
It is?
It's not blowing from here. You might gotta
Gotta see. Well, it was never blowing at all down here. That's crazy. At least we got that.
Yeah. That might be a blow.
Something up here. That's wrong, right?
Yeah, I can look it up.
Something up here is wrong. It was never blowing down here though. That's good. At least we got something.
Yeah, it might be like something fucked up on you. It's different type of shit. It might be the switches is locked on something.
Yeah.
Or anything. Because it's not your blower motor, your shit actually blowing.
This shit is blowing. This shit is never blowing. At least we got that. Yeah, at least we got that. That's good. Oh, there we go. Morning.
That's so it is. Nice.
Going down here too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that's it. Alright, at least we got that.
Yeah, and then probably when you close the car and then
Yeah,
that shit.
Alright, I got so caught up that I forgot to do the outro because these motherfuckers invited me to a cookout and they ain't even had no goddamn food. But this is how you do a replacement for a blower resistor on a 2010 Honda Accord. And it's your boy, ain't that job that gotta be job? I'm old.